I didn't finish my course.
What? Undergraduate?
But I course in COC. Cagayan de Oro College. Sir Rolando Coliba is our president in the college and my education.
Education, major in
Filipino.
So dapat mag-Filipino.
Di ba yung ano?
Liceo siya. What is your course?
My Liceo is tourism.
So what is tourism anyway?
Sir Rolando Coliba is my So you're educator.
Now.
I like this speak. Let's speak in English. Love it. We are friends. What is your course? What is your course college? Where is my
Hello Black daw.
Did you
Architect.
Did you finish your degree or what? Elementary, high school. Go. Yes. Rolando Coliba is the president of PCC.
No.
Time of
Kapusar mo, bitch.
sa iyo din, but then Dani, sa time ninyo na si Sir Coliba.
Siya ang president.
Okay. Nasaktan pa nimo. Sa imong prof.
Go Bating. Atilay Bating. Go.
Si Ma'am Karen sa inyo.
You're at PCC. What course did you pursue?
I financial management.
Hala.
I like your teeth, the way you talk. As in veneer.
Veneer siya.
The way you talk.
Sa maning? Tulala.
Tingnan mo nila.
I can be.
Go! Actually, ako yung isa sa lahat ng mga when my father left work in Camigan, all he wanted was a better life for our family. Over the phone. But it's hard. Enrolling in Cagayan de Oro College, I could have a degree. I could be proud of. Because my dream is to have a successful career and bring my family together.
In what?
Enrolling in Cagayan de Oro College, I could be proud of.
I drink wine.
I drink with the pleasure. I drink wine. Tequila Bogey Blues. Last night, I asked my mother how to behave. The appreciate the values of my life.
Nice kaya.
What you care? What you told me, Delia? Stop bothering me.
Tumamuri yung kwan, no?
Ano yung panglaban? Isa pa.
Go home and plan kamote.
Juvenile delinquent.
Juvenile delinquent. Ano eh? By Gabriel Ocara na. Once upon a time, child, we used to laugh with our hearts and laugh with our eyes.
What is psychology?
Study of human behavior, which means soul and mind, psych and logos. Logos, L as in lover, O as in obstacle, G as in governance, O as in ostrich, S as in substance.
Ay sa Bobby B Bobo.
Bakla man kami sa inyong paningin. Kami ay may puso rin. B. Biktima man kami sa iyong kalahasan at diskriminasyon. B. Binggit hanggang hulo. Katulad namin kayo. Bubu ang masasabing kami mga bakla. Hindi kailangan tumapak sa pintuan ng langit.
Biyo.
Wait lang.
Bu. Ay, magsumangil nga anak.
Ano man?
Go, Bu. Bukas, ngayon, at magpakailanman, kaming mga bakla ay walang kamatayan.
Nice kayo. Nice to game mo.
Sa mga memory.
Mga memory do.
Bidol man ko sa among Pilipinas.
What's Bidol? What's Bidol?
Ako ang saligando.
What Bidol? May specific trabaho ang Bidol. What's the specific trabaho of Bidol?
Assign na ko sila nga nag-open ba ay ano ba sila sa kuan? Assignment.
And also the attendance.
Attendance, my God.
Sa volleyball, unsa sad ka?
At the same time, volleyball is
Spiker?
spiker. I'm spiker of the ladder. Alam mo ba yan?
Ayaw siya mabalibay. Ako sis.
Nasa sila sa glitz.
Nagbalin. Sis! Ano ka?
Ato na to na.
Sis.
Yan ba na? Dave sa guys niya.
Unsa pa? Unsa pa ba?
Nalipay si Danis ako akin ano. Yako nung kung happy feel.
Baby, tapos sa that is also the beholder.
So you're an educator. So from PCC graduate. Major in?
You're both alumnus.
English. Speak English is the language to be used.
Bayot.
Ano to?
Sa to?
Speak English. Nobody's perfect.
Ala. Sada.
Pero, how many courses did you take?
Laban.
How many?
Courses did you take?
Change right to ILB. How many courses what I take?
Yeah.
I'm taking in first year. So my family decided to pursue my degree in college. Basa ko kuan. Sa Canton. My family decided to pursue my college in Cagayan de Oro College. It's a FENMA Education Network.
Ano nga course mo?
Isa pa rin kayo,
Education.
Education.
Isa sa Comar. Ako na tanan.
Ba't napunta ka sa tourism? From eduk to tourism?
Because my auntie is Napitong cashier.
So when was that? Second semester?
Hala.
A registrar. Sa registrar.
No, second year lang ako doon. Pero first year is
What is your first course?
education.
Eduk, tourism.
I am a vice president.
In
In
what?
education.
In what terms?
No, what terms? In my department.
Okay.
So after you pursue your second year here, anong trabaho mo sa Manila?
Ay!
Anong trabaho mo sa
May
Manila?
mong bet nga
Magali. Anong trabaho mo sa Manila?
Alam mo, sinalikoy ako sa pamilya. Trabaho ako sa tita ko nang nag-alsa ako ng bigas.
Kabot sa bugas.
Pwede yan, nag-alsa ako ng bigas dahil. Oo yan, alam nila yan.
Wala ba yung age of
Pandemic.
Wala ba yung pandemic?
Pandemic. So I love
Mandaluyong
I
kayo.
love my
Is
BFF.
Ato nakaabot kaya Brenda.
I love my BFF. So he decide me. I don't know. She decide or he. He decide me no. I will pay all the taxi. It's about 700 or 800. She paid the taxes. Taxi. Dahil punta ka dito is ano.
Taxi din.
I am so thankful for
Labi.
Kapakot
Diba pay
naman.
the taxis is all
Para makapunta ka kina Brenda.
Punta ko ka Brenda. So, ganun.
Tapos may
And the rest is history.
I'm not a vlogger.
yan nahiya ka pa kay
That time.
Oo.
Hindi naman ako gano'n kay Brenda kasi kailangan ko lang dito sa ano ba. Pero,
Hey, pangaw mo ba?
kasi nag-inuman na kami, di ba, dahil before that, nag-inuman na tayo dito sa ano ba, probinsya.
Oo. Friend na
Nag-inuman ng
kami.
friend na kami, nag-inuman lang kami sa probinsya, pero, may nahiya din ako kasi it's a birthday. So, hindi ako pinauwi.
Di na siya pinawin ni
Kasi
Brenda.
ayaw potential proper.
So thank you to. Thank you to. No.
Di ba? And Brenda.
Di ba man una dyan? Di ba brought Lyra to Diva?
Oh, Diva. And of course, Brenda. I'm Scarlett. Kasi sila ang nabibigay sa akin ng pangalan ng Enrique.
Kulang mo ng tinidor.
Without them,
Sharing na lang is loving.
imong gusto ko itong manihilo-hilo. Oh,
Yeah.
magkaon mo. Oh, sir. Sorry, sir. Sir.
Midnight snack
Muna ako
kami.
may alagad ni mo.
Follower yun niyo.
Happy birthday. Wish you all the best.
Follower yun sa iyo.
Birthday celebration as always. It's a Thanksgiving celebration. Blessings, good health, and good harvest to our palay.
10 minutes na.
Paano ka nila? English ah.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Ana. Thank you so much for choosing NY.
Hala.
I'm not choosing in anyone.
Hala. Kay.
I'm not, 1 month ako doon nga hindi ako nakapunta.
Bakit?
Because the people there is
Very
nice na iba yung ugali.
Yeah.
So, alam nila yan?
Oo.
Kasi 1 month na naman ito last week.
Hindi, nang di ba, gusto nila mag-invite, di ba, Day?